Welcome to this video on the DNA cold flow juicer. After 20 years of juicing, I'm proud to announce that I believe this is the best juicer we have put out in the market. And specifically because we've addressed one significant benefit which most customers really appreciate. And that is that this juicer is super easy to clean. You ask me why? It's because it has three components. Number one is the hopper. Literally rinse it under water. Number two is the cold press screw. And that's the one that's retaining the vitamins, the minerals, and the living enzymes. And number three, the bowl. So most of it rinsed under water, super easy to clean. I don't believe there's anything that compares. And super easy to assemble. So let's start with the juicing demonstration. Today we are juicing carrots, apples, and oranges. Other big benefit with the DNA cold flow juicer is that you can add all of your ingredients, your whole ingredients, without having to cut or prepare at once. So in go the oranges, in go the apples, and in go the carrots. Then all you do, close the lid, switch on the juicer. And with here it's a silent juicer. You hear mostly the crushing and the squeezing and the crunching of the fruits and the vegetables. And that's because it's a cold press juicer. The pulp coming out on the right side, and this is literally a dry pulp. So all the juice gets extracted from that pulp, giving you a lot more effective result in juicing. As you can see, the juice is starting to build up. And there's literally no work for you. It's a hands-free juicer. Okay, I think we're ready to open up the tap. We're gonna grab our glass, the juice straight into the glass. You've got to do it slowly because the juice really gushes out. Juice still coming, but we already have our full glass of juice, loaded with vitamins and minerals. Let's take that taste. So rich, so nutritious. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthy living made easy in the DNA cold flow juicer.